Right, welkom julle. Vandag weer op Lucky Bean. Soos julle weet, Ruben, Elsmarie, JT. Ons het vir Black Z daar. Ons het vir Mark, oom Andrew, legend soos julle weet. En jong, Marcus, what you doing, my boy?
Catching a fish.
Catching fish. Okay, so ons vang 'n bietjie vis vandag. Ja, ek doen nog nie commercial nie. Ek probeer geld bymekaar maak vir my en Marcus adventure. Josie, chickie. Lekker my seun, lekker. Nice, well done, Baba. Wow, in daddy's face. Thanks, buddy. Listen, look here. Okay, go back. Put it in the rod holder. Okay. Right, you know what to do?
Indeed I do.
Right, so Marcus gaan julle nou wys hoe om dit te doen. Soos julle kan sien, as jy sy oog toe maak, dan hardloop hy nie so baie nie. Kom papa help. Oh, 'n little klein bietjie van 'n snyfer. Say.
Okay. Can you let?
Yes, I can let go, my son. Right. Here you go. Blade away from you. No, you're in the bone. So feel there's a little hollow behind the eye. Listen. Listen. So mind the knife, guy. So you feel here. Here's the eye. Feel here with your hand, with your finger. There. Feel it? Okay, now press it down. You'll see it's going to make like rukbewegingkies. There. More. There. More. Okay, now wiggle. Right. Now it's dead.
I'll set everything.
Okay. Now what you do is move it back. Open the gill. And hold on.
It takes a good minute.
Okay, and cut on the inside of the gill. You're on the wrong side. This side's the blade. Okay, so you just cut. Just there. Right, now go bleed it in the bucket. Alright. So easy does it.
Go.
Wat? Marcus sukkel met die ding het nie eens meer hoeke nie. Show your fish to us, my boy. Show it nicely, bud.
Going to.
Yeah, I like it.
Yes, maar ons rock and roll. Okay. Dan en das dit. En daai oom, het oom ook ene. Roeper wys vir ons mes, hè? Okay, lekker. Okay, laat raak kleiner. Ja, saam. Ek het nou lekker ene gekry. Jy sien wat hulle eintlik sê is ek moet hulle net wys waar die grootes is gou weer.